SkillUp's Interest Quiz is designed to connect your personality and motivations with the world of work. In just 10 minutes, you'll answer 60 simple questions about everyday activities to discover your core interests. Once you complete the quiz, you'll be shown your unique interest profile. The quiz ranks your strengths in 6 types of occupational interests: social, enterprising, artistic, investigative, realistic, and conventional. You can then see careers that have been listed in Alberta over the last year that are specifically tailored to your interest profile. You don't need to log in to see the results. However, you may want to create an account to save your results for future exploration. You can sort your career options by relevance or salary, and filter by industry or education level, from high school diplomas to graduate degrees. The flames next to each job title show how in demand those roles are, letting you focus on opportunities that are more highly in demand in the current job market. You can also toggle this button to filter the recommendations to show only high-demand jobs. The Interest Quiz is great for people with little to no job experience to discover what careers would work best for them, but it's also interesting for more experienced people who are looking for a new career challenge.